Hey, hi, Glenn here at the Gardens of Castle Rock, Schweitzer's Nursery and Landscaping. We are in front of the dressing room, the project that we're working on, the garden suite. We finished up the stone pillars. We got the limestone caps on them just before it started to snow. It's still snowing. So we're on day 3, 10, 12, 15 inches. Welcome to Minnesota and welcome to working on a project in a northern climate. Yay! But we have inside work to do, so let's go take a look at what's happened. We talked about showing you the fastest way to do sheetrock. Let's go see. All right, here we are inside the dressing room, and the sheetrock is all installed. And let me tell you, it looks gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful in here, especially with the ceiling up there all being done. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we said we were going to talk about the fastest way to install sheetrock, and we were going to show you the fastest way to install sheetrock. So let's take a look at how we did that. Okay, here we're panning around the room and seeing all of that sheetrock that was just absolutely wonderfully installed. It is beautiful to see it all installed. And now the answer to that question, I know you've been waiting for, what's the fastest way to install sheetrock? And it is to have it installed by professionals. It's not that we couldn't have installed it, we could have gotten it done, we would have done just fine. But we have to maximize our efforts in this project to meet our deadline, and so it makes sense to bring in professionals to take care of certain aspects, just like in the plumbers and the electricians and the HVAC. There's trades that specifically work on projects or work on parts of projects to get them done. Sheetrocking is one of them. So it is a wonderful thing to use the talents. Another area that's finished, we'll take a peek in here. Another area that we hired some beautiful talent is the tile in the bathroom itself. So the tile in here is done. We just have a little bit of grouting left to do, and then we'll be able to finish up the bathroom in the dressing room. That's pretty exciting. Okay, so there, you found out the fastest way to install sheetrock, and that's to hire professionals to have it done. So we are going to be starting in tomorrow on what we love to do, and that's put stone up. We love building with stone. So the fireplace will be in shortly. We'll see some videos of that. We're going to be out at the chainsaw mill working on making the logs for the front, and we're going to be in the shop welding up the brackets that go on top of those stone pillars out there as soon as all of that snow melts. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really appreciate that. If you could like, comment, share, that would be appreciated too. And most of all, if you were to hit one of those buttons down there, I think it's there, either way, and subscribe to the channel, follow along as we finish building the dressing room here at the Gardens of Castle Rock. I've been Glenn with Schweitzer's Nursery and the Gardens. Until next time, thanks.